Got a mailbag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see what we got. It says data cable. It is a data cable. It is a these are one of those dual. Do I have a So this is a dual-sided micro USB and a reversible USB. So this side can go in this way or that way. And this side can go in this way or this way. No more fumbling with USB jacks, which way they go. That's really cool. All right, next, modules. This is some kind of module. I don't know what this is. CJMCU 1201. I think this might be an isolator. VDD1, yeah. VDD1, VDD2, VOA, VIB, VIA, VOB. Ground 1, ground 2. I think this is a non-optical isolator. I think it uses magnetics of some sort. Let's see, it says it's a... Let's see what this chip is. 1201ARZ 17279967. I'll have to look up and see what that is, but I think I got it just to check it out. I think it's an isolator. Or a level converter. TV connector. Oh, I need some 75 ohm Terminators for my cable TV. And so I just bought a pack of those. And then, you know, that's to close off. If you have a splitter, you're supposed to terminate all the open connections. So you'd be surprised, those splitters are not cheap. I thought they were cheap, and they're not. It was cheaper just to buy Terminators and use a bigger splitter that I already have. Well, my video cut off. I guess I forgot to delete something. My storage ran out. I opened up a couple more packages. Got this USB to everything. It's got some barrel jacks, some camera connectors, dock connector, lightning connector, micro USB, mini USB. This might be good for some weird little gaming systems or cameras and stuff like that, or Android devices, old. And lets you power everything. I ordered these bridge rectifiers to repair this air compressor control. It's got a bridge rectifier that doesn't test right. I think it blew out. Not really sure how. So I bought these replacements. They don't look incredibly nice, but they should work. Maybe I can get that working. And I bought these USB. I got these USB jacks. They are vertical. So if you want to plug something in USB and have it stand up, you can have the vertical jack. You'd want it coming out the side, not the bottom or the, the side. So let's check those out. From what I understand, the pins are very small, so I'll have to see how those work. And then I got one of these because I already have one. And it's nice to have a USB jack that you can just pull out, plug something in, check it out, and then when you're done, it just goes away. You don't have any cables on your desk. Got this, which is a micro USB-B, which is like for hard drives and stuff, or SATA connections and stuff, to two USB jacks, one for data, one for power, so you can have extra power for that device, so you don't exceed your USB ports, or if you need to split it for some other reason. So that's it for now. It's a bunch of USB stuff. I hate that it cut off, but that's about it. I'll have to check out what this is. I believe it could be an optical isolator, but I think it's a magnetic, maybe. Well, this is it could be a galvanic isolator, but it's got your power in, ground in, power in, ground in, and then it's got two channels. So it's like a isolated transceiver. So this would be good for isolating I2C or something like that. I'm not sure what the specs are, but I'm going to check this out and see how it works. So that's it for today. Till next time.